Hola a todo el mundo, somos Montse y Marta y vamos a hablaros del proyecto MakeInTeach.
Hola a tothom, som la Marta i la Montse i us volem parlar del projecte MakeInTeach.
Hello to everyone, we are Montse and Marta and we are going to talk with you about MakeInTeach project.
Ciao a tutti, siamo Marta e Montse e parleremo del progetto realizzato a Bergamo, MakeInTeach.
Hi again, my name is Marta Campos and I work in the company Transit Projectes. My daily work is in Vila Urània, a cultural center focused in science literacy and science outreach in Barcelona.
I'm Montse Porta from Espai Jove Casa Sagnier of Transit Projectes. Our space works with young people aged 12 to 29 and it is focused in robotics and 3D printing, as well as being a feminist reference, which is one of the other important pillars.
MakeInTeach is an European project with many partners based in different countries as Estonia, Bulgaria, Italy, and Spain. The aim of the project is to introduce new technology and maker philosophy for educational purposes, but not only in tech subjects. The main characteristics in these projects are team working, sharing knowledge, and being able to stay in contact with the rest of the project mates. It is a 3-year project with different phases and 3 training stages: Bergamo, Barcelona, and Tallinn. Montse and I have had the chance to participate in the training in Bergamo in December 290. During a week, we received a specific training on the use of new technologies in education and we designed a project jointly.
Our team designed a project to recover the public space by means of independent but complementary activities that can be replicated in all schools and countries of the project, such as a smart kitchen garden, Arduino, and recerca. Once the training has been completed, we acquired knowledge and methodology to be able to apply it to our daily work at Transit Projectes, as we explained in this video.
All that we have learned in this project is able for being applied in Vila Urània because a big part of our work is to organize activities for adult people. For example, we are organizing free design and 3D printing courses every 3 months. In addition, we can also organize specific training courses for the public with knowledge of these subjects. We can use this type of activity not only to work on the dissemination of science, the specialty of the Vila Urània Center, but also to position our work as a reference for the district and for the city, for the entire city. In relation to this idea, we will also be able to reach on publics who don't know the place, the Vila Urània place. And also, Vila Urània has a daily education service from 4 to 12 years old, where the children can carry out maker activities. And in that way, the children can be familiarized with this technology every day and with future projects about maker philosophy and maker technology.
Thanks to the vision acquired in this first training of the project, we can work more organized, offering workshops to institutes with a clear organization of the timing that each project must have. We have already considered the smart kitchen garden design of the project as a proposal to offer to institutes. The idea will be that from next year, an institute could come to learn the necessary programming and then design it with our 3D printers. We also a sector of young people who need to acquire this knowledge to enter the world of work. We can also offer workshops and talks with a more conscious view of the reality. And last but not least, it helps us to see the reality of workshops. Is the capacity adequate? Is it necessary to divide it by learning levels? These are issues that we can now resolve more clearly and with a more direct view.
And finally, we want to share with all of you the conclusions of this project. First of all, the Maker technology in the classroom or for educational purposes has a series of positive characteristics. It promotes the practical activity in the students. It promotes the resolution of problems with creativity, for example, using the method of trial mistake. It allows for knowing new technologies that will form part of the daily work in the future, and encourages team working not only in the process but also sharing the solutions.
And MakeIn Teach in Casa Sagner allows young people to acquire new skills in technology with robotics or 3D printing for being prepared in the labor market, among other things. For example, to have direct contact with schools.
MakeIn Teach in Vila Urania allows citizens learn how to use this technology whereby non-formal courses and activities.
The MakeIn Teach project shows the reality of being able to collaborate virtually. Using only a computer, you can create and upload a collaborative design that can be used by anyone in the world by way of internet.
And finally, these new technologies facilitate communication between the people in different situations, such as living in different cities or different countries, or because they have to stay at home for the coronavirus, as our case, as Montse and me. Adiós a todo el mundo y esperamos veros en la segunda fase del proyecto aquí en Barcelona.
Adeu a tothom, moltes gràcies i esperem veure-us aviat aquí a Barcelona, a la segona sessió.
Goodbye to everyone and see you in the second phase of the training here in Barcelona.
Ciao a tutti, speriamo di vedervi presto nella seconda sessione del progetto a Barcellona. Grazie mille per tutto.